What's up, HVAC people? Riding. Grind time. See, we got this ice machine right here. Look like it's in bad shape. You know, sometimes you gotta tell your customer that this stuff just needs to be replaced. But like you see inside the ice bin. But it ain't my call. But I will. It's my call to try to fix it. It's not working at all, so I'm gonna check my pressure. I turned it on a few minutes ago. Suction line icing up real bad. So I'm gonna check, put my gauges on, check the pressure. Look at all this. 1993 system. Like I say, it's, look, got a little hole in it up there. The thing unsanitary, need a new bin, but see if we can get them up and running. Pretty clean inside there, but all this needs to be replaced. Put some new hoses and stuff on here. Need a good maintenance. Replace the hoses. All they need blowing out with an air hose, a nitrogen or something. So like I say, let me check the pressure. See this suction line here, discharge line. By me just looking at it, reading, I know that because this is connected to the filter dryer. See the little small filter dryer? So it's my high pressure, low pressure. Look like it's a service port right here too. So I'm gonna put my low side right here. Thing so hard I can't even turn it. Water pump on the ice machine. These go out a lot. That's a like a water valve. It's got to be full. Hoshizaki. If you're gonna work on these Hoshizaki, get your Hoshizaki book. It's a little small book, but it's pretty good. We got about 80. The Hoshizaki book will give you the alarm codes. Sometimes you got the alarm codes up here that'll beep. I don't have my book, that's 3 beeps. I can reset it right here. See a white button up there. You can reset it. So, man, this thing need a maintenance on it. So I'm gonna make sure I got water flow. Sometimes you can. Well, I got water. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it running properly. See, the ice machine's so funny. You really gotta have a good maintenance on this thing. You gotta make sure your pressure's right. Everything gotta be in sequence and everything gotta be working. You can have one thing that's not working properly. You can have these fins up here dirty, and this thing will not produce ice properly. But I do have water flow. But sometimes the pump will go out, so I got to make sure the pump is going to be circulating water. Okay, compressor just kicked on. Check my pressure. Let the fan kick on before you check your pressure. See the condenser fan not on back there? Should kick on once the coil gets to a certain temperature. See, I'm going low now. See what the pressure gonna be when the condenser kick on. That's dirty there, see? Unsanitary. And the reason like that though, cause we're in the shop. Ain't nothing but dust. It's a dirt field out there. And all this ice is the they don't eat the ice or anything like that. It's to keep the product cool. And the product is horses. They cool the horses down after they run with this. And the horses don't drink the ice or the water that they putting it in. Waiting on the fan to kick in. I think I'm a little low on refrigerant. All right, there we go. There goes my fan. Let that refrigerant circulate for a while. It's probably gonna start going down. But I gotta clean those coils back there. I'm gonna hit it with some nitrogen. See that suction going down? Let it run for a while. I know there's R22, but I want to make sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, R22 right here. Okay. 20 pounds. Can't see nothing on there. I think it holds a few ounces. So since I'm not gonna take all the refrigerant out, okay, oh no, hold 3 pounds, 10 ounces, so almost 4 pounds. So it may be about a pound short, I'm not sure. Really with the closed system, the right thing to do to me would be is to recover all the refrigerant and weigh back in 3 pounds, 10 ounces. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go by my pressures. I mean, an old system like this though, I mean, I won't really, I mean, you can, like I say, you can recover it and weigh back in the charge, but hey, some things you still gotta play it by ear. I don't think they don't want me to spend the money, spend, you know, 8 hours doing all that. Because if I recover everything, I'll probably pull a little small vacuum and everything on. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna weigh the charge in. Not weigh it in, but check it on my pressure. Look how low my suction is now. See that? See how low that is? Icing up. So, see if we can get that suction.